1, 2, 3, kick it.
Hey, Dre, what's going on, man? What's going on? Hey, what y'all gonna do for this last record? Now I'm telling what y'all gonna do. Okay, you want me to do the intro? Alright. Parental discretion is advised for the moment while I'm getting candid. Now understand it. Ain't you typical in any way, though the pro on the mic is a D.O. to the C. This is an intro. I know the doc makes you wanna take a volume. So buy a bucket, cause I'm coming is my album. And for the record, meaning my record, check it. Listen to the single and you be like, yo, I gotta get it. But in the meantime, listen to the rhyme of the Dr. Dre. Play with NWA. Yellows on the drum roll, rocking the beat. Hey, yo, Dre, where you gonna take this shit, man?
Hey, yo, let's take it to the street. Let them understand perfection. Let knowledge be the tool for suckers to stop guessing. Cause I don't give a fuck about a radio play. Observe the English I display. Lyrics for the adults. Children have been barred and scarred from listening to something so motherfucking hard. Dope, pumping, that's so my shit will never falter. Yo, it's straight the fuck the mind of Minalta. Psycho, like no other motherfucker, so step to me wrong. G.O. for what you in, oh, but be warned. Never will I leave like a regular, cause I'm a little better than a regular competitor. I used to see him on stage, earning money like a thief, but without a gauge. Until I got full of clocking the lane, getting pulled.
They said you wasn't gonna get paid.
No, that's bullshit. They like it stylistic, and I enchant the crowd like I'm a mystic. Cameras are flashing when I'm in action. A photo of fresh with a flair for fashion. Pure simplicity, see, it's elementary. You hear one of the hardest motherfuckers this century. Try to comprise a word to the wise in disguise. Parental discretion is advised.
Renner's most extremely high performance.